So before we get started, I'm going to create a folder for animation. As you can see, I have quite a few different files, and you may also have quite a bit in here. So for this step, I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder inside my project folder, specifically for animation. I'm going to take my most recent version of the monster. As you can see, I've clicked on Date Modified, and the most recent one floated to the top. And I'm going to move that into my animation folder. So I'm kind of starting fresh right here. So I'm going to open up this creature. And to get started, I'm going to take a look at my layers. I'm actually going to simplify this a little bit since I have so many different parts. So for the lesson, I want to have fewer things to worry about. So to do that, I'm just going to hide layers that I'm not going to use. So this star that I have here, let me close my Pathfinder. This spring is a little bit tough right now, so I'm just going to hide it and maybe move my star into this location. And then maybe take out some of the tails. Let me just do the blue tail and maybe one tentacle instead of 3. So reviewing, just making sure that everything is separate. I want to make the eyes blink for sure, so those being on their own layer. The entire head, I probably won't want to animate anything else other than the eyes on that. I do want to make the horn glow. This generate right here. You can grab this by the end. That's for AI type stuff. And got the star. I do want to make the ears kind of rotate up like it heard something. And I've got the one blue tail. I'm going to use tentacles 1, 2, and 3. But I do want to have those legs. I'm going to have them move a little bit as well. So prepare your Illustrator file. And then I'm going to go ahead and save as. And then add the word simpler. So I have 2 Illustrator files. One where I've simplified and moved things around. And my original if I ever want to go and get that one instead. So just making kind of a backup here. Notice I did not delete these layers. You can remove your reference layer or just leave it there, and we'll do the same thing that we're going to do with these. Just hide it, and we're going to take that out of our After Effects composition after we import it. So prepare your Illustrator file for importing into After Effects.